Hi, this video is to show you how to use Routific's timeline. Now, Routific's timeline refers to this horizontal section below. It's one of the most popular ways our users love to inspect, make changes, and understand what their routes look like for the day. So here you can see what your routes look like and how they relate to one another. For those who don't know, you can make changes here by dragging and dropping. So if you need to move one stop to another place in the same route, you can drag and drop like this. Or you can even take one stop here and drag and drop it onto another route. And Routific will be smart enough to insert it at the best location. You can also multi-select stops. So you would hit Shift on your keyboard and select multiple stops, and you can drag and drop them onto another route with this feature. If you would like to only see numbers on selected routes, you can hide your stop numbers. And when you click on a certain route, then you will see the numbers appear, and you will see this list appear where you can further inspect your stops and your orders. But if you like to see all the numbers all at once, you can turn them on. Another thing you should know is that you can adjust the height of your timeline. So if you only want to see one route, for example, you can drag it down to this. If you want to see more, you can drag it up. If you want more real estate for your timeline, you can also collapse this section on the left, so you have more space for your timeline on the screen. And I'll show you a little secret. If you want to collapse your timeline entirely, click on the Scheduled tab here, and you'll have more map. And it's here that you can inspect your map by clicking on it. There are some tools here, the lasso tool that you could use, and some other features that you might find useful. Let us know if you have any questions.